So today's song is one that's using some chords and a melody in the right hand. It's by Lukas Graham. It's a really popular one called 7 Years. So we're going to start with the right hand melody. So this is the middle C down here. We're jumping up 1, 2 octaves and coming down to the B flat here. So little finger on the B flat and you're going to walk down. Okay, so that's B flat, A, G, F. And then thumb stretching a little bit to the D. And it just swings between D and F. 3 times, okay? So that's from the B flat, D, F, and again, and again. And it just keeps doing the same thing going round, basically. And the last time it stops on the D on the 3rd D. Okay, so the left hand is doing chords. We're going to do a G minor chord. So we're going to be down here. This is the middle C here. So you're going to go thumb on the D, B flat, and G to start with. That's the first chord. And then to get the second chord, which is a B flat in inversion, you're going to just move the little finger. So you get B flat, D, and an F at the bottom instead. Okay. The third chord is an E flat 7 chord. So again, we're going to keep the B flat and D at the top, but we're going to add E flat and G underneath it. So you have 4 notes in this chord. If you find that too awkward to stretch, you can just miss out the G. It makes it slightly easier. So you get E flat, B flat, and D instead. Okay. And then we have a very quick skip to F and C before we go back to where we started again. So you get G minor, B flat, E flat 7, and a quick hop to F and C, and back again. Okay, and if you put all that together, the right hand starts, and then the chords join in on the Ds, okay? So you get, and then you change the chord on the 3rd of the Ds, chord again, and the little quick one happens with the B flat here. Okay, and it just does that round and round. Okay, so I'll do the whole thing. Okay, and that's the introduction. The chords carry on through the whole song, so you could just keep doing these chords on the left hand, and every time you've got an introduction or in between some of the verses, you get this part come back in again. You can hear when you listen to the song that it varies quite a bit throughout the song as to where the top part comes in. But that's basically it. So I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, you can hit the like button and you can scroll down and leave a comment if there's any songs you want to request to have a go at. You can also subscribe to my channel, and if you hit the little bell next to that, you'll get a notification every time I release a song, and then that way you'll never miss one. Have fun!